Well, we'll give everyone a minute.
Yeah, nobody yet.
Yep. Here, let's go find some dies.
Absolutely.
Yeah! What's up, Jake?
Just know that it needs to get plugged in. All the press over here.
Oh, yeah.
If you're going to use it.
Yeah, we're going to find some dies.
Okay.
Because people apparently don't like the dies we put up.
And Kev.
Yeah.
That press is here.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see it.
Alright, cool.
Got 5 viewers,
Hey,
Kevin.
guys. So we're going to go find some dies to put up today. Because I don't think anyone likes the dies we put up. Let me get my ladder. Let me pull the ladder around. See what we can find. So it's going to be rerun day. We're going to put up some stuff that we've had up before in the past. Maybe the B? I don't think that's been up in a little while. That's kind of cool.
That's very nice.
All right, I like the B. I'm going to try to limit myself to a drawer because if I don't, I could literally dig for days. So we've got 2 that are pretty cool. What else? There's a lot of dies in here, not hubs. Let's go to the next drawer. Does anyone say anything? Like they might want something?
They're watching. I'll try not to just pick Art Nouveau stuff because that's all I really like. I'm really drawn to it. But, you know, maybe let's do... Ooh. Yeah, what do you guys think? That one? I like that one. What else? Someone that says, is there a simple bike?
No. I honestly, the only bike I've ever found is that Flea Circus one. What do we got here? I'm going to pick out like 4. 4 that are kind of cool, I think, maybe. I really love this one. It's an Alling and Company piece. It's kind of cool. I'm going to pick stuff that, you know, is easy for us to run right now. Because I don't want anyone mad at me. So I'll,
Kev, I locked up on the back.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Alright, you heading home?
Yeah, I'm
Alright. Did you shut off the laser and stuff?
Laser's off.
Oh, cool.
Wood's off.
Okay, thanks, man. Have a good weekend.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, here's a good one. You guys want the dragon? I think we may have offered this already. Oh, it's very cool. Here we go. There's some good stuff in here. Here, I'll take this.
Okay.
Oh, no.
What's up? Did you accidentally reverse the...
No, I don't know what I did. But, here, you take these, Rob.
Alright.
Don't drop them on your feet. Okay. So, let's see what we got. That one's really cool. I love that one. Some of these are really big. I don't know if I did the other side. I think I need to make a left. I have the hub for it to make a left and a right. Those are cool. Yeah, I wish there was a simple bike, but a lot of this stuff is very early. And it just... Oh, this is great too. That's a really good one. I think we could... Some people would probably like that. So let's take this one too. I don't like them stacked on top of each other like this. They can get damaged. But we're kind of running out of room. Alright, yeah, there's the wings. Big dragons. Let's go up one drawer, see what we got. Oh yeah. I always thought this one would do great, but no one seemed to like it all that much. She's cool. Maybe we should do a Western thing. Guy on a horse. You guys see anything? That one's great. That's an Unger Brothers piece. So is this one. Let's see. It's a really good dragon. I love this one, but it's so big. That one's really pretty. Oh yeah, we've run that one. Alright. We're probably gonna wrap this party up. Oh, did anyone... Joan of Arc. Did we run this one? Did anyone remember it? Looks like we've run it. I got that one right out of Paris. We ran it? Okay. We'll put it away then. Maybe we need to do... a ring. Oh, let's do this. Let's do this ring. We're going to do that ring. Alright. That's it. Let's bring these in to Danielle and see if she likes any of these. And we'll put them up for Saturday and Sunday, and then that's it. We'll see if anybody needs some of this stuff. We will go get her opinion. She's not going to like this stuff. She doesn't like my Art Nouveau stuff. But as hard as I try, I can't help myself.
There's another.
So here's the... So here's some Western stuff. This is a good one right here. I love that one. So this is what we're thinking. What do you think? John Jellies did an amazing piece with that one. And the bee.
That one will be popular.
All right.
This was up very recently. That I think seems up all the time.
Yeah, it's a great one
This
though.
seems like it's up all the time.
So have we run this one at all? So let's trade one of these out. Maybe get rid of that one for that one.
Okay.
And let's get rid of her for the Bull Rider. What do you think?
Sure.
All right. So this is going up shortly. Thanks, guys.